This is your reminder. Crypto is about to see the biggest bull run in history. This crypto cycle is completely different from any other cycle before. That's because this cycle is all about mainstream adoption, government adoption, rather than the tech and innovation. President Donald Trump's crypto fund, World Liberty Financial, has been buying hundreds of millions of dollars of crypto. Trump now owns nearly $400 million of cryptocurrency. And over the last week, Trump has been buying more Ethereum, taking the total holdings to 62.86 ETH, worth $197 million. Trump's second biggest holding is Wrapped Bitcoin, which is basically a tokenized version of Bitcoin on the Ethereum network, and they hold $66 million worth of Wrapped Bitcoin. They also hold TRX, Link, and Aave, and $46 million worth of stablecoins. And get this, Trump Media, the company that owns the social media platform Truth Social, has just approved investments for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Do you really think Donald Trump is going to be buying hundreds of millions of dollars of cryptocurrency without any major plans for crypto in the future? Do you really think he's not front running with his own capital before the entire world catches on? And don't forget, the United States is working on a strategic crypto reserve, meaning the US government is going to be buying up hundreds of millions of dollars of cryptocurrency. America is the powerhouse of the entire world. Whatever America does, the rest of the world copies. So this year, you can expect way more governments to be buying crypto, giving us the most explosive crypto bull run we have ever seen in history. Just your friendly reminder that crypto isn't going anywhere. Did you know that Bitcoin could still hit $200,000 by the end of 2025? Here's how. So yes, Bitcoin is down 23% right now from its all-time high of $109,000 that it made on Jan 20th, the day of Trump's inauguration. But despite this, Bitcoin has still managed to outperform all other global market segments like US treasuries, equities, precious metals, real estate, and the stock market. And one of the main reasons why I'm so bullish on Bitcoin for 2025 is because of the Bitcoin Spot ETF. Millions of dollars has already started flowing back into the Bitcoin Spot ETF. On March 17th, the ETF saw $270 million of net inflows. This is the highest investment since February 4th. And it was the Bitcoin ETF investments which played a major role in Bitcoin's rally that we saw throughout 2024. And to be clear, corrections like this are extremely common in a bull run. Previous cycles, we saw Bitcoin correct around 30%. This cycle, it's only been around 23%. There's a lot of unnecessary panic right now. And obviously, with Donald Trump's tariff wars and the Fed refusing to cut interest rates, pullbacks like this are to be expected. So now we wait. We wait for the tariff wars to settle, the Fed to cut interest rates so more liquidity could flow into the crypto market, and for the ETF inflows to continue. Then we are officially back. And $200,000 for one Bitcoin in 2025 is not that far away.